Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. So let's go to the first method. So open up your Instagram app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now here on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then tap on this Your Activity button. And then right here, just need to scroll down and then want to find that recent searches option and then tap on that option here, and then all you need to do is tap on the clear all button at the top right and then click again this clear all to confirm your action. But if the problem persists, let's do the second method. So here you just need to go back to your profile page and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then from here you just need to tap on settings and privacy at the top. Now you just need to scroll down to the bottom and find that help. Now tap on report a problem, and then you just need to disable the shake phone to report a problem, and then tap this report a problem button. Then tap on this don't include and continue. Now here you just need to briefly describe your problem. So you can type here that you want to delete your Instagram search suggestions when typing. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.